Oh my, oh my, oh my. So excited about our training that we had with featuring Marisa Fratto Corcoran on writing copy and social media and emails that sell. Check out these comments. Terry Bradley, holy crap, this was good. Jerry Ann, this is amazing. Glenn Henderson, thanks Marisa and Karla. Joanne, thank you ladies, great stuff here. Kristen, this has been excellent. Thank you so very much. Cynthia Town, learn tons. Anna Hayes, this has been very helpful. Thank you, Karla and Marisa. Janie Clark, wow, amazing. Thank you, Marisa and Karla. Rosalie, amazing. Kristen, wowza. Jerica Lockwood, incredible. Meryl Connolly, she's awesome. This is a must-keep training for sure. And if you are not already a member of our Clever Girl Playbook, what are you waiting for? Not only do we have this amazing training on copy, but we have at least 20 other in-depth courses on how to build and automate your business online, marketing made simple. Inside Clever Girl Playbook, it's now your turn to get started. I'll see you inside Clever Girl Playbook.